All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is finally time to throw those wheels on the Sambar van. Everything came in today. I got all my tools ready. Let's get down to business. Remember, safety third. These are directional tires, so we gotta make sure we actually keep them on the right side. Here. That was easy. The back tires do fit without spacers, but since we're spacing out the front, we're going to space out the back too. It's only ½ inch. That way it just won't look kind of funny with the front tracking, the front track wider than the rear. If it was the other way around, maybe I would have left it. Can't have it looking any doofier than it already is though. Shiny billet eBay spacers, which honestly look like they're pretty good quality, so it should be just fine. Can't forget other eBay special hub-centric rings. I definitely have to cut these. Now we put the hub-centric ring. Moment of truth. I put it down. Let's see. Oh, come on. This is like the whole. I hate this bunch. That's pretty. Would you just look at it? That's so much more tire than what was there before. But we still clear everything. That's all I care about. So much better than it was before. It hits the mud flap, but that's full lock. I'm like not even a finger width away from the sway bar. Went up and down. I think I might just limit the steering lock. This thing already turns in like one parking space anyway. The things we sacrifice for rims. Alright, I managed to wash the van yesterday and the Escalade, but then I squeezed this thing in here, which admittedly wasn't very hard. So now it's time to do some small maintenance items. I gotta balance the wheels, gotta clean a little bit on the inside, try to touch up some of the paint spots that are rusting before it gets too bad and we end up with a sunroof, because the roof is probably the worst spot. Let's see if we can, somewhere, yeah, like that. That's not good. I'll try to take care of that and whatever else I can find that it needs. And then we're gonna put a vinyl on the front window. That's important because everybody keeps staring at the van and they don't know who did it. Now they'll know. you go. And double check that the balancer is still centered, which it is. The bubble, I mean. That's pretty bad. We're just gonna go ahead and start with 4 of them. Right here. I say pretty bad, but 2 ounces really isn't that bad. I dare say I nailed it on the first attempt. Check it out. That's with the weights. That's without the weights. I hope you can see that. That's pretty bad. And while we're over here, we should snug up the bolts on the spacer while we can get to it, just in case, now that I put some miles on it. Alright, all 4 wheels are balanced back on the van. We'll go for a ride later and see if it makes a difference or not. I got distracted. I peeled all the tint off of these back windows. It's a clear tint. I'm pretty sure it's just like a UV protector or something, but it's starting to get really faded and scratches everywhere. So I peeled it off and now it's perfectly clear. And I'll do the other door and maybe the back window. I don't know. That one's in okay shape, but it bothers me because I can see wrinkles and stuff in it. I finished scraping this window. Came out pretty good. Took forever though. And moved on to doing some rust repair. I sanded out these rust spots and I taped them off and I already painted it out. Well, I primed those and the ones over there. I'm gonna hit them with some ivory spray paint because that's all I have that's close to this roof color. While we literally wait for paint to dry. Let's see if we can knock out the dent that's in this door. Oh, there's some. Not bad. Still needs work, but you know. Now we got some like rain / maybe snow coming. At least my roof won't get any worse than it already was. Hey. Then we got the whole squad over here to put a vinyl on. This better go well, otherwise all 3 of us suck at this.
What are we doing? We're gonna help you put the vinyl. What vinyl? Yes, yeah, you're gonna line it inside. I'm gonna line it up over here. I'm going inside?
Yeah.
Ooh, grease monkeys.
I'm not sure the windshield makes it higher. I want to be down here.
So do we need to remark this spot right here, Nico?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
doesn't sound that loud.
Okay. We're gonna try this again.
No, we're gonna do it this time.
We're gonna do it. Got it.
Is it right side up this time?
Yeah.
No. Thanks for your help.
You finish it? I gotta look at it.
How do we get my leg out of here? Oh god.
I gotta look at it.
Alright, it's on. It's got some bubbles, but hopefully sitting in the sun will iron them out a little bit. Now all these people down the highway taking pictures of it will know who drives this thing and where to find content like this. Alright, I think we're going to take it for a test drive now, see if I fixed the vibration issue with the wheel balance, and go get something to eat.